He's strong.
Right here.
He plays with his heart.
He will do it like that, slow it.
Yeah.
You know, and a picture.
Yeah. Look.
Touchdown!
Touchdown!
He got it back.
Yeah.
He goes really hard at touchdown.
You see? Look, he's gonna catch the touchdown. Yeah!
He got it.
Go Steelers!
What's that?
See, look, he's playing the Cleveland Browns. We don't like that. They're dirty. They smell.
They look dirty.
Oh, there's Jerome Bettis. Can you say Bettis?
Bettis.
Yeah, the bus.
That's my buddy.
Yeah, that's your buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Another football.
You want to watch another one?
Yeah.
Let's watch this one.
Okay.
You ready for another lesson?
What's that?
Here it comes.
Touchdown.
Touchdown?
Yeah.
Look, there's Pittsburgh. That's where they play. That's called Heinz Field. Look, there's the towel. That's the terrible towel.
You play that?
Yeah, look, there's Ben.
Ben?
Ben, you say hi, Ben?
Hi, Ben.
Yep. There's Casey Hampton. Yeah.
What are you doing?
They're getting ready. Oh, there's Troy. There's James. Oh, there he is. That's James Harrison. He's a beast.
You see him.
See him right there? Oh, there's Troy Polamalu. Can you say Polamalu?
Polamalu.
Good job!
Of course he can pronounce the Samoan
You
name.
are awesome!
He good. Oh, a butterfly.
I know a lot of adults who can't even say Polamalu.
That's my friend.
He's your friend?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's my buddy.
he's your buddy. Go Steelers.
Good Steelers.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
They're getting ready to play. They're getting fired up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are green hugs.
They're giving hugs?
Yeah.
Oh!
He got it.
You got him?
Yeah.
You hit him hard, huh?
He's fell down.
You fell down?
Yeah. And right here. And floor.
Yeah. Look at that one.
For them too.
We hit him hard?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
like that.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Boo, Patriots. Boo. Oh, look, there's Timmons.
Timmy.
Yeah. Oh, Lamar Woodley. Can you say Lamar?
More.
Yeah. There's
No.
Mike. That's Mike Tomlin.
Them called Tomlin.
Yeah, Tomlin. Good job. There's Ben.
Ben? Hey. You silly goose daddy.
Go Steelers.
What's Steelers?
Okay, all done. Did you like that?
Yeah. I'm doing another one.
Tomorrow we'll watch Super Bowl 43.
This
And I'll
Christmas.
show you how we won the Super Bowl.
I look